It's the box of the month. Yes, it's another month, another box. Let's open it. Up first is a vinyl figure of Gears of War. Now, I don't like Gears of War, so yeah. Blah. Next, t-shirt. Let's see what the t-shirt is. Ooh, Frankenstein. Classic Frankenstein. What's that? Frankenstein. It will shock you. Let's see the whole thing. You can get in. This is nice. This is really nice. Nice. So, from bad start to very good continuation. Next item. Really? The Mummy? Are you sure this is what you want to put in the box? Nobody cares about the Mummy. The Mummy sucked. Jesus. This is bad. Not only is it a vinyl figure, but the Mummy. What's on the backs? The Mummy, Amanette, Nick Morton. Is Nick Morton Tom Cruise? I guess it is. I don't know. I don't remember. The movie was so forgettable. It's mind-blowing. Yeah, not so good. Coin, Dracula coin. Now this I like. Does it say anything? If a limited edition coin exclusive to ZBOX. Reverse side of the coin is. Wait. I thought it was a Dracula coin. This side it's Dracula. What does it say? There are far worse things. Oh, it's not. Waiting man than death. Okay. So why is... it says Dracula here. But it's Frankenstein on the back. Universal Studios. This is not a Dracula coin. This is a Universal Monsters coin. Home of the original monsters. So I guess this box theme is monsters? I don't know. Let's see if there's a book in the box. So, yeah, but this is a nice coin. So, yeah, sure. Bad, good. Last item. Stranger Things. Some sort of vinyl thing. I know what this is. I've seen it before. It even says, yeah! What the? This is from Loot Crate, goddammit! How can you put a Loot Crate item in your said box? It's supposed to be exclusive items to the box. No, not all exclusive, but there shouldn't be an exclusive from another box. What's wrong with you? Oh, you're doing so good, and this is just. Let's see if I can get this open with my short nails. Otherwise, I don't care. Do I care? Do we care? I don't know. Do I need to open this? I don't know. I don't think so. It's a vinyl thing. I can tell you that. It's a bloody vinyl thing. Jay Salvador has been pulling on the heartstrings with the Super Emo Friends line. Super Emo Friends line? Super Emo? Really? That's what you want to call it? Loot Crate, has partnered with Salvador to create an exclusive figure, a rendition of his drawings and paintings for the very first superhero scenes. In this emotionally intense moment from Stranger Things, Eleven uses her immense telekinetic powers against the Demogorgon in order to keep her friends safe while also saying goodbye. This bloody Loot Crate! I have to get this open. Take it easy, don't want to break it because I want to sell it. God, this is ugly. Okay, so you're supposed to, put it on this, put her there, I guess, and him there. This is really ugly. Jesus. Oh, I'm so disappointed. This is bad. This is really bad. But it's not just the item. The item, I mean, it's probably not so, but it's a bloody Loot Crate exclusive. It's not ZBOX. What's wrong with you? God. Wah. Quidsalma. Hopefully I can sell this. Why would anyone want this? It's shit. Or maybe some more. I have seen both seasons. The first season was really good. This is, and the second season, not so much. It really shows that they had no idea what they were doing, really. They just copied old stuff, like Spielberg and other cool 80s stuff, and they made their own thing, which was good the first season. But the second season was bad, especially that episode when she meets that other ex-person, ex-man, ex-woman, whatever, which was excruciating. I can't talk. Of course I can't talk. I have never been able to talk, as you might know if you watch my videos. Yeah. But that excruciating. Yeah, it was excruciating. That episode, it was so bad. So Stranger Things, I will not see season 3. This is the end of that, and this is the end of this video, because there's nothing more to show. Yeah, bad box.